Hi, my name is Sophia and I'm a strategic English teacher. Today I'm going to help you feel more confident when answering questions in English language, especially during a job interview. Because yes, not knowing is okay. What matters is how you respond, and we don't want you responding by saying, I don't know. So in this quick video, you're going to learn 3 professional expressions you can use when you're not sure about something in a job interview without saying, I don't know. Let's get started. The first expression is, I don't have it on hand. This is a very polite and professional way to say that you don't have the information or you don't know the information right now. Let me break it down. You don't have it. I don't have it means you don't have the information or the data, or you don't know the information or the data. On hand is an expression that means readily available, which means in the moment. For example, I don't have the exact number on hand, but I'll be happy to follow up with more details after our call. This shows that you are honest, but still committed and professional. So when can you use it? Use this when they ask you for data, specific numbers, or something technical you're not 100% sure about in that moment. Are you ready for the next expression? I'll find out. I'll find out. This one is short, simple, and powerful. It means you're proactive. Let's break it down again. I will is the short I'll. So when you say I'll, is the short for I will. Find out means to research or to look for the answer. For example, that's a great question. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll find out and get back to you. Or you could say something like this. I haven't dealt with that directly, but I'll find out how our team usually handles it. This is great when you're asked about a topic you haven't worked with personally, but still want to show initiative. The last expression is, I'll make sure. I'll make sure I find out. This phrase shows responsibility, attention, and detail. So let's break it down again. I will, pronunciation, I'll. Make sure means you double check or confirm something to avoid mistakes. An example is, I'll make sure all the files are ready before the meeting. Or, I'll make sure to follow up with the client after the demo. Expression works when you want to reassure the interviewer or maybe the boss or the person you're communicating with that you take ownership and ensure quality. So there you have it. 3 professional expressions you can use when you're not 100% sure about something during an interview. So today we've looked at expressions and answers. Instead of saying I don't know, you can say I don't have it on hand, I'll find out, and I'll make sure and get back to you. Want to practice this with me? Let's leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with someone who's preparing for a job interview in English language, or who works with English language, maybe doing weeklies or other presentations.